If you are a business owner and you are here, then you are looking forward to grow your brand organically. In this world where Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads are on like go, there's a problem. Brands need to build trust to grow. Brands need to build trust with their customer to grow. To survive in 21st century, you need something more than just ads. You need trust. And that's what we do here. So now the question is, how do we build trust? It's through the power of content marketing. If you can give your customers content that they can trust, content they can get value from, your customers will trust you and you can take them a step forward towards conversion. But how to build a strong content marketing strategy that will not only give you the results you want, but it will give you a return on investment that's double of what you expected. I follow the 6-step formula that helps me to create a content marketing strategy and execute that strategy so that you can get the results that you want. Step 1, brand and customer analysis. It all starts with the analysis of the stakeholders, your brand and the customers. I start with understanding and analyzing your brand, its promise, its messaging, and its values. And then I analyze your customers through a customer persona and then try to understand if there is some gap between what you promise and what your customers want. This helps me to bridge any gap between your content marketing strategy. Step 2, goal setting and funnel design. After we have analyzed the possible gaps, it is time to set goals for your strategy and then design a funnel that will include all the platforms that we want to use. Creating a content marketing funnel gives us a straightforward path for your content marketing strategy, while goal setting creates milestones that we need to execute each strategy. Step 3. Step 3 is the core part of your content marketing strategy, that is content creation. Here we create content that you need for your strategy. Articles, blogs, newsletters, social media content, anything that you need for your content marketing strategy is included here. Check my services below and you will understand what all do I provide. Step 4, content optimization. The most important but the underlooked part of content marketing strategy is content optimization. Your content needs to be contextual. Content creation is not one size fits all. Your content has to be contextual in accordance to the platform that we are creating it for. In this step, we optimize your content according to each of the platforms, whether it's be SEO, hashtags, or any strategy that is needed. Step 5, content distribution. Now that the content has been created and optimized, it is time to distribute it. It is time that your content reaches the audience that we have created it for and create the impact that we intended. So in this step, we distribute your content on different platforms and the platforms that you want it to go to, and then see the results that it creates. Step 6. Step 6 is all about analyzing your statistics and then fill any possible gaps. After your content has been distributed, we analyze and see how the content is performing, check the statistics, and then find any gaps between what we intended your content to do and what is actually doing. And then we fill that gap and improve our strategy for the next time. So if you want to generate trust with your customers and skyrocket your brand, then you need to check my services. Let us take your customers to the level where they trust you and take them a step closer to conversion. Get in touch with me and let's discuss the strategy for your brand and let's take you to the next level. Get in touch with me. The link is given below.